Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Now that the temperatures have finally started to cool down, you should start thinking about changing out your flower beds to cool season flowers.
Here are just a few to add lots of color to the high traffic and visible areas in your yard. Snapdragons will have brightly colored flowers throughout the fall, and if protected from the heavy frost, will continue through the spring. Snapdragons are available in many colors and sizes. Dwarf varieties are excellent for mass plantings, foregrounds or borders, and taller varieties will work well as background plantings.
All do well in flower beds or in containers, and they reseed easily in good soil to produce more new plants for the next season. Pansies are popular, tough little plants that come in almost every color you can imagine. Majestic giants have large flowers with faces, and the crown varieties have vivid, clear colors without faces. Plant fall through winter in any sunny location. Not bothered by the coldest weather, pansies are great in masses, borders, or in containers. Violas are like miniature pansies and do great as smaller bedding plants or even in hanging baskets.
Garden mums are hardy perennials that bloom heavily in the fall and spring. These make great container plants as well as garden accents. Stock is an old-fashioned favorite known for its very fragrant flowers. It blooms profusely in shades of purple, lavender, pink, and white right through the winter and into the spring. Vintage or green leaf stock is a short variety with bright flowers. Trisomic or 7-week stock is taller and bushier and has more of a grayish-green colored leaf.
Cyclamen is a classic cool weather favorite that does very well in filtered sun to full shade. Large-leafed and compact, it has flowers in rich colors of red, pink, purple, and white. Of course, you can't miss the colorful display of ornamental kale and cabbage. These are prized for their deep colors of purple, pink, and white foliage. The colder the weather, the brighter the colors.
These are just a few of the many colorful plants for the cooler months. For more varieties and information, check out our free Star Note 305 at starnursery.com or on our free mobile app.
Don't forget, we make house calls. Go into your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.